Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade Funfetti Magic Shell. This fun twist on the classic magic shell uses white chocolate and rainbow sprinkles to give you a different kind of magic shell. So if you love Funfetti, you're going to love this ice cream topping for this summer. So we only need 3 simple ingredients to make this homemade Funfetti Magic Shell. So first, we're gonna need some organic white chocolate. And now you guys can use a chopped up chocolate bar like I'm using today, or you can use white chocolate chips that are meant for melting. You just wanna make sure that it's in small pieces so that it melts easily. So you wanna make sure that your white chocolate is in a heat-proof bowl. Then we're just gonna need some coconut oil and some rainbow sprinkles. Then we're gonna add our coconut oil into the white chocolate. So now we're just gonna melt this in the microwave doing 30-second intervals and stirring between each one. You wanna make sure you stir between each one because that's gonna help prevent the chocolate from burning. If you guys want to do this in a double boiler, that totally works too. Once the white chocolate and coconut oil are completely combined, then we're going to add in our rainbow sprinkles. Today I'm using nonpareils, but you could use traditional rainbow sprinkles if you like. Now it's time to transfer the magic shell to a jar. I just like to store magic shell in a mason jar because it's super easy to pop it in the microwave for a few seconds if you need to warm it up to turn it back into a liquid before adding onto your ice cream. This Funfetti magic shell is just like the chocolate magic shell. As soon as it hits the ice cream, it's going to be hard and crackly, but it's going to taste like Funfetti. So now this magic shell is ready to pour over your favorite ice cream. If it solidifies, all you have to do is pop it in the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds until it's liquid again, and then it's ready to use. And so earlier today, I was testing out the new Our Place mini skillet, and I made my single-serve chocolate chip cookie in it. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna link my single-serve chocolate chip cookie recipe for you guys in the description, along with the link to this mini skillet. This is such a fun way to use this homemade Funfetti magic shell. I'm gonna add a couple scoops of vanilla bean ice cream on top and then top it with the magic shell, and you have a perfect dessert for sharing. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite ice cream flavor is to use this Funfetti magic shell on. And if you want more fun baking recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.